What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today I'm going to show you how to get your Jeep Wrangler started if your smart key dies. Whether that be a dead battery or some other issue with your smart key, I'm going to show you how you can still get your Jeep started. So yours may look a little different than this one. It may have some buttons on the front, lock, unlock, or remote start, but it'll be the same procedure either way. And this is only going to apply to Jeep Wranglers that have push button start. So I've taken the battery out of this smart key to demonstrate. If we try to start it as we normally would, we're going to get a message here saying Key Fob Not Detected. So what we need to do is actually use our fob to push the stop start button. And we want to use the top of it right above the button for the key blade. So we're going to use this part of it here, and then we'll just start it as we normally would. So foot on the brake, then we're going to push it with this part. So that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.